Okay, welcome to another Forex is Easy trading video. Just a bit of an overview of a new indicator that came across my desk a couple of days ago. It's something you may or may not have heard of before, and it's quite a handy little tool. But first up, I'll have to apologise for the lack of postings on my blog last week. I did have computer problems and also had some dramas here at home with regards to one of my pets. So yeah, the trading, only managed to trade a couple of days, and I end up with 50 pips for the week just in the short term off the 5-minute charts. So anyway, let's have a look. Here I've got open a Euro USD 5-minute chart, and it's got these indicators I've already spoken about, and also Ligua, or the lag as I call it. Not even sure how to pronounce it yet. No one's really told me any difference, so I'm just assuming that's how you say it. Alright, so let's bring up some indicators. The new one I'm talking about is the Commodity Channel Index, CCI. It's probably something you've heard about before. I've never actually used it, so yes. We'll see. Oops. Alright. Oh, I've got beeps going everywhere. It's just a single line, period 14, so it's just the default setting there, 14. I've just used a dodge of blue, pretty thick line. The levels, now this is where it's probably a little bit different than what normal. By default it's either minus 100 and plus 100, or just 100. Here I've changed it to minus 50 and 50, and visualization just on all time frames. Click OK, and there it is. I'll just get rid of this. Alright, let's just move the chart along a bit so I can sort of explain what's going on here. Now, I believe you can get this indicator in like a histogram. Instead of a single line, you get this histogram. But I can't find it on MT4. Maybe it's a custom indicator I can get, but I'm quite happy just with a single line. Now, if you can see that, hopefully on the video, this yellow or gold dotted lines are going to come up nice and clear. That's the minus 50. We have a 0 there, and plus 50. I'm on the right here if you haven't seen me, just where my cursor is. Now what we're looking for this indicator, when it comes up, say it comes up from below the bottom line, it breaks through the first one, and when it breaks through the second one, the top line, that's a signal to go long. Alright, now when it comes back down, breaks through the first one, breaks down through the second one, it's a signal to go short. Simple as that. Now I wouldn't use it as a standalone tool, but certainly that's why I've got the lag gear happening. I'm just I'll bring up my crosshairs and I'll see if I can give you an example. Alright, see the lag here has already gone. I would consider that a long signal when it breaks this bottom red line and goes up. Now this has been confirmed here by the CCI. It's broken up through the bottom line, come up through the second line. There's a nice long signal, and in hindsight, as you can see, it was a good, on a 5-minute chart, that's a good little signal. Now, geez, I'm pointing to the screen, you obviously can't see that, but as you can see, the market's flattened out a bit underneath my writing here, and the lag gear has started to fall away, and now the CCI has come back down through that first line. That would, to me, it'd be probably a good time to get out. As you can see, it's fallen away, and the lag's actually given a sell signal there, and the CCI also has down here. It's broken through that bottom line. Hasn't been a good trade, obviously. As soon as it come back up through that top line there, it might be time to use your stop and get out. It's not perfect like a lot of the indicators, but we'll just see if we can find some good examples here. I know this is all in the past, but I'm just trying to show you the actual workings of the indicator and how it may be a useful tool in your own little trading arsenal. I'm going to run it for a few weeks on my charts just to see if it is any good. I've dropped the stochastic, as you can see, and here's another example here. Alright, so the lags come up through the bottom, broken through the red line, bottom red line, which is a good buy signal. This is confirmed by the CCI going up through there, and here we have a nice little move in the 5-minute chart. And You can see the lag still above, and the lag doesn't get you out until it comes back down here, but the CCI has got you out a little bit earlier around this candle here. And again, we've got that short to the opposite way. See, as I said, it's not perfect. A lot of these trades you'd be looking at the where your pivot lines are, which way the market's actually trending. You might want to bang up to a 1 hour chart just to see which way the main trend is. To me, if I look at a 1 hour chart and it's an obvious uptrend, I'll be reluctant to take short 5-minute trades to the short side, and if I do, it'll all be with a very tight stop and just looking for 5-10 pips or something like that. And yeah, so if the market in this instance was heading up, then so here's another good example. The CCI is broken up through that second line again, the 50. The lag hasn't quite turned. Market's heading up, jump back, going long. CCI's got a little bit ugly down to this yellow line again. Lag still holding it up there. By the time the lag crosses down through that top red line for a short signal, it's already had this big drop here, whereas the CCI would have got you out in the candle, this candle here. And we're short, so I'll see if I can find another. Maybe a little bit confusing. Just remember, if you just look at my arrow, when it comes from below, it has to break through the second line, and when it comes from above, it has to break through the second line down also. So it's not just when it comes through the first one, it's when it goes through the second one that confirms the buy signal, and when it comes the other way, like down this way, confirms a sell signal, buy signal, sell signal. Don't use it as standalone. See it run out of chart. So that's the euro. I just got the GBP USD, the pound US dollar. Same deal. I've already got it on this chart. And there it goes up there. You can see my crosshairs, blue arrow, lag's good, CCI is good. We have a little uptrend there. CCI's come down to the yellow line again, lag sort of turning, get out, and lag saying short, CCI confirms a short, go short. Nice little trade there, you know. That's not a bad little, just quick little moves there. Remember, you're trading the 5-minute chart. We don't need big stops, we don't need big targets. You'll probably get a few of these trades in every session. So all right, so that's it. That's a CCI. Just another indicator that you may be able to use. You may find that will help you in your trading. All right, thank you.